120 80 17, 110 80 17. These are 17-inch sticky tires. Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to change the tire of my R15. So that's the Yamaha R15. For changing the tires, firstly we need to remove the disc brake and then remove the wheel. My rear tire is all punctured, so I am changing the tire. I'll also put on a free flow exhaust, most probably a SC project exhaust, and also plan to do a tail tidy on the bike. So there the wheel has been removed. That's the rear tire. Let me compare the tire with the new tires. So the new tires are upsized. These are sticky tires, 17-inch. The new tire has been fitted on the rim, and now it's time to fit the sprocket. That's the sprocket. Yamaha R15 originally has MRF Zephyr tires. These tires are made of soft compounds and are very good for track riding. But I have experienced many punctures in the tire. That's why I have changed the tire. I have also upsized the tires. In future I have planned to put on a big bore engine, about 62 mm bore, and also to upgrade the ECU. So once the engine modification is done, I think I'll be changing the tires. I'll be using Metzeler tires. Metzeler tires currently are the best for sports bikes. So the tire is done. The chain is installed. Now it's time to put on the axle. These guys are professionals. So that's it. The tire is done. That's the axle. And now I think they will tighten the screw. So that's it. The tire has been installed and finally the screw has been tightened. So new tire on my R15.
Right.
The rear brake is giving some problems. The rear brake is not working.
Huh? Huh?
I think the brake line needs bleeding.
Tight video.
There must be air bubbles inside the brake line. That's the brake fluid reservoir. We have opened the brake line and trying to bleed the brake line. I hope that the master cylinder of the brake is working fine. To replace the master cylinder of the brake, it would be costly affair. Also, the part must be procured from Yamaha spare parts. We will try to pump out the oil and do a proper bleeding so that there is no problem with the brakes. Generally, Yamaha parts do not fail. Hopefully, the bleeding should solve the problem.
Leading gun फाल्ली करছে फाल्ली हाँ নিজে মাইনে না না এনে মাইনে
So, new tire installed, the brakes are done. Do check out my next vlog for the tail tidy.